Izina rya Dr. Matthew Rukwiya nirijuka munonga mu by'amagara mu Uganda ahabwa kubogu n'omwahamamanza mu by'amagara barwanisa endwara ya Ebola bwanyuma yo kubarukaho mu Uganda omwaka gw'2000 nk'uko abashaho barikuba bari abarwana bo misho endwara nka Ebola zabarukaho omu bwire obu Ebola erisize karungo mu ihanga lya Congo kandi ekateeka abanya-Uganda habuzora misho abahangu nka Dr. Michael Irigi okurwa mu kitongore ekirukurira okucondoza handwara echa Joint Clinic Research Center nibashaba abashaho kwerinda kukwatwa Ebola.
Temperature guns, so if we know that we have gaps, we'll be able to procure and bring those temperature guns that can support in the screening at the facilities. We want to make sure that the health workers in our communities are protected. And for most of the things that we do as health workers, success is normally measured with what we are doing.
Dr. Irigi byabigambiro bwabire nabugana habashaho hamwe n'ababembezi kurwa mu district ya Kazo habyo kwerinda oburiro bwa Ebola.
We put in place those measures that we have been discussing here. But what I want to say as a partner, we will be supporting surveillance activities in the district.
No district eje ya Kazo etakatungire muntu wena wino burwiro obu neyatana na district nkachegegwa eriemu hariezo za districts ziri mu kabi kahango ahabwendwara ya Ebola.
Twatana na nango tukagira mu districts eziba kweta high risk konka twatana na Chegegwa twatana na Kamwenje, so twetorire ama district twago nga twetorire ago batiro mu category ejo ya high risk, so ncho charetera twataho entebekaniseji kurengo twabasa kwerinda
abakachiko abari kurwanisa endwara eje ya Ebola muri Kazo nibagira ngo batireho ibintu bitari umwe na bimwe eby'amashomero gakire kukuratira umuhurureji eyo kwerinda okujanjara kwa Ebola.
Zoberi urukiko rwasharamo ngo buri shomero entrance ninga gate habeho gate atakagira ishomero tine gate aha gate habeho ekidomora kiruma amizi garumu sabuni mingi go kunaba aha muryango aho abaruhe kibakweta thermometer gun ejo nakoma ko kupima temperature.
Chairman w'entebe ya katana wa district ya Kazo Reverend Samuel Katugunda wenagira ngo abantu tubakitire mu mani omukwerinda endwara ya Ebola ekintu kirukwera arikiriza.
The measures to prevent it. We have not done anything. I don't see anything being done. I don't see it here.
Obed Timbagayo ori omuhezi wa RDC wa Kazo na ihanangiriza abantu bona okuratira ebyabahango bari kubahabura endwara ya Ebola ihanga lyabari ryo kusingura urugamba rwo kunanisa endwara eji.
Nkagire byatibwa ahamaramizo hagire ngenderwaho itwagenderaho aha mashomero buri shomero nditekwa ko ari ine akadomora ko kunabira ku mungara nditekwa ko ari ine sanitize nditekwa kucendeza abana okuhikana hi amakanisa buri kanisa nitekwa kuberaho kidomora cyo kunabaho mungaro hamwe na sanitize.
Kandi hona Kazo district herire district nkachegegwa eri harutezo rw'amani okwatwa endwara ya Ebola bwo kugira kampu z'empungi gasha kwa Sima Naume.